What's up guys, Brian with Dreamedia, and today we're at CES 2022, so let's check it out.
So what's on display here is a feature new to our Neo QLED TV lineup for 2022, and that is the integration of a single source NFT marketplace. And what NFT is non-fungible token. It's a digital subscription or digital ownership of a specific piece of art. And with our TV's ability to display content, think of things like we've done with our Frame TV with art mode and ambient mode in our QLED TVs over the last couple of years. This is the next iteration of that. And with the explosion of NFTs as a purchased item and things that people like to have on display, you now have the ability to browse, shop, preview, purchase, and display NFTs right through your Samsung Smart TV. Now, like many other works of art, even NFTs could be viewed in different orientations. Some are viewed best in landscape, like we're seeing on the wall right here. Some may be better viewed in portrait. So one of the things Samsung has introduced this year for our QLED and Neo QLED lineup is an auto rotation wall mount that with the touch of a button on the remote can change the orientation of the TV so the NFT can be best viewed in its proper orientation.
All right guys, so let me know in the comments what you guys think of the new Samsung. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be hitting you with some more content, and leave your comments below. Thanks a lot guys.